In Chapter 9, we discussed the difference between an active and passive verb. In an active verb, the subject does the action of the verb. In a passive verbal construction, the subject of the sentence or clause receives the action of the verb. So for instance, in the sentence, Bill hit the ball, that is an active verb, hit, because the subject, Bill, is doing the hitting. In the passive sentence, Bill was hit by the ball, we have a passive construction because the subject, Bill, is receiving the action of the verb, is being the one that is hit. This same distinction is true not simply for the participle, but for each of the basic verbal concepts. So while the PL in the previous chapter was an active verb, the passive counterpart to that verbal form is the PUAL, which we're discussing in chapter 15. For example, if Shibert was it smashed, the active form from the PL, then the PUAL is Shubar, it was smashed. Given the obvious relationship between the active and passive, the PL and PUAL, unsurprisingly, the PUAL will share its major characteristic of doubling the PL's second letter. And whatever nuance should be attributed to the PL verb, whether that's intensive, factitive, etc., should also be attributed to that verb in its PUAL form.